Hi there, how's it going? So this video is going to be about creating custom exception in Scala. So normally Scala has built-in exception like illegal argument exception, arithmetic exception, and so on. And it uses unchecked exception, which is basically runtime exception. So we are going to check if this list contains none. If that is true, we are going to throw a custom exception. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to basically use try and catch. So the try, we try the my condition, and catch, we catch any error if there is one. So let's say try, and here catch. So try, we take in if statement if lst dot contains, if it contains null, string null, then I'm going to throw exception. For now the exception is not created yet. So, and if it doesn't contain it, it's going to print out this statement. So it's going to say print list does not contain null. So in my catch statement, I'm basically going to catch that exception if there is one. So before I do that, I'm going to create a new class here. So when you are creating a custom exception, you have to extend runtime exception. So let me name this exception class as list contains non-exception. So, and I'm going to put MSG as the message it's going to output when the exception is thrown. So the message is going to be in string format, data type, and I'm going to extend runtime exception. So here I'm going to define a method called exception message. So exception message is not going to take in any argument, but it's going to return exception, and here I'm going to basically throw new exception, then put the message inside. So this is the message it's going to output, and what I'll do here is basically throw this exception class that I already created. So that will be throw new list contains no exception, and the message is going to be list cannot contain null. And here I'm going to catch this exception case ex, which is short for exception, and what it's going to return is list contains exception. That is the class. And here I'm going to basically throw this exception. So if I throw this exception, I want to get the message as well. So I'm going to say throw x.exception message. So, and to run this application, you have to basically extend app or create the main object. So here I've extended apps, so I'm just calling that exception tutorial class here. So if I run this job runner object, it's going to basically execute this, and I think there is error somewhere here. Okay, yeah. So so I'm supposed to throw this exception in front of the if statement. So that is it. So I can run it now. Okay, it's finished running. So if I go here, you can see it has thrown the exception. So exception in thread may java exception, then list cannot contain none, which is the message we have here. And you can see the line number exception tutorial Scala 16, line number 16, which is basically where we are throwing this exception. So if I make this statement true, right? So if I get rid of this none and run this app again, it should print this one: list does not contain none. Alright, it's finished running. So you can see there is no exception being thrown right now because it's outputting this list does not contain none. So yeah, so that is how you can create and throw a custom exception. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment. Have a lovely day and goodbye.